Which remanufactured power steering pump is actually good? Simple question, but you have to do a bit of digging to get the answer. Today, we're doing exactly that. Product number 1, A Premium Power Steering Pump. First up is the A Premium Power Steering Pump, which comes with a reservoir. Priced at $89.99. This pump is tailored for several Chevy and GMC models from 1996 to 2014. If you're looking to restore smooth steering in your vehicle, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This pump is compatible with a wide range of vehicles, from the Silverado 1500 to the Escalade, which means that if you own one of these, you'll get a perfect fit. It also comes with a 1-year unlimited mileage guarantee, so you know you're covered. With a solid 4.2-star rating from over 300 reviews, buyers seem to appreciate its performance and reliability. It's a great choice if you want peace of mind when driving. Now, some people complained about the lack of an included pulley, which can be a hassle if you don't have one. But here's the thing, if you already have a compatible pulley, this is a minor issue. It's all about keeping costs down and focusing on what really matters, reliable steering. This is perfect for you if you drive a Chevy or GMC from the specified years and want a dependable power steering solution. Skip this one if you're looking for a pump that includes everything in the box. For the price and performance, it offers solid value. Now, if the lack of a pulley bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its complete assembly. Product number 2, Gilluoxy Power Steering Pump Replacement. Next, we have the Gilluoxy Power Steering Pump Replacement for $58.99. This one's designed for vehicles like the Chevy Traverse and GMC Acadia, making it a budget-friendly option if you own one of those models. If you're trying to save some cash while fixing your steering, this is worth a serious look. This pump stands out with its compatibility across various models from 2007 to 2017, ensuring a perfect fit. The fact that it comes with a pulley included is a plus, as you won't have to buy that separately. Plus, it boasts a 4.4-star rating from over 250 reviews, which indicates buyers are generally satisfied with its performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This pump is designed to get your steering back to its optimal state without breaking the bank. However, some users noted that installation instructions could be clearer. I get it, complicated instructions can be frustrating for DIYers. But honestly, if you're comfortable with some basic mechanical work, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a cost-effective solution for your Traverse or Acadia. Skip this one if you're not comfortable with some DIY installation. For the price, it's a fantastic value. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize reducing noise. Product number 3, A Premium Power Steering Pump with Pulley. Third on the list is another A Premium Power Steering Pump, this time with a pulley included, priced at $79.99. This model fits Honda Odyssey, Pilot, and Acura MDX from 2005 to 2013. If you want a quieter operation along with easy installation, this is worth a serious look. This power steering pump is designed to eliminate noise issues, which is a common complaint with many pumps. It includes essential features like high-grade seals that withstand extreme temperatures, ensuring long-lasting performance. With a 4.3-star rating from over 330 reviews, customers appreciate its effectiveness and the fact that it comes with the necessary components for a straightforward installation. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Less noise means a more pleasant driving experience, especially on long trips. However, some people have mentioned that it might not fit 100% perfectly in all instances. Here's the thing though, if you're driving one of the compatible models, this shouldn't be an issue. Just double-check your vehicle's specifications before buying. This is perfect for you if you want a quiet and hassle-free steering experience in your Honda or Acura. Skip this one if you prefer a no-pulley option or have a different vehicle. For the price, it provides excellent value. Now, if noise is a major concern for you, the next product on the list is all about precision and reliability. Product number 4, Cardone Remanufactured Power Steering Pump. Fourth is the Cardone 20-312P1 Remanufactured Power Steering Pump, priced at $128.97. This one stands out because it's a remanufactured original equipment part, ensuring a precise fit for your vehicle. If you're after high quality and reliability, this is worth a serious look. What sets this pump apart is that it undergoes rigorous triple testing for critical components, ensuring it works just like new. It also includes 100% new O-rings and seals, preventing leaks and extending the pump's lifespan. With a solid 4.1-star rating from 306 reviews, buyers have praised its reliability and performance. Here's why this matters for you specifically. When you invest in a quality part, you can avoid the headaches of frequent replacements. On the downside, a few users have reported issues with the pump working only for a limited time. Here's the thing. This could be due to installation errors or vehicle-specific issues. It's not uncommon for remanufactured parts to have a learning curve, especially if you're not a seasoned mechanic. This is perfect for you if you value reliability and want a part that mimics OEM quality. Skip this one if you're looking for a budget option or are not comfortable with installation. Given its performance, the price is justified. Now, if you're looking for a more affordable yet reliable option, the last product has got you covered. Product number 5, Cardone Domestic Power Steering Pump. Finally, we have the Cardone 20 to 70,269 remanufactured domestic power steering pump, priced at $114.84. This pump is an ideal choice for those who want a dependable part without breaking the bank. If you're after a solid remanufactured option, this is worth a serious look. This unit is thoroughly tested for proper flow and leakage, ensuring that it meets all performance standards. It comes with 100% new seals and O-rings, which helps in preventing leaks and enhances longevity. Users have rated it 4.0 stars from 264 reviews, highlighting its reliability and ease of installation. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Having a pump that passes all performance checks means less worry about sudden failures while driving. However, some buyers noted that it can be a bit noisy compared to new pumps. But here's the thing. If you're looking for performance over silence, this shouldn't hold you back. Just be aware that some noise is normal in remanufactured parts. This is perfect for you if you want reliability at a decent price. Skip this one if noise is a deal breaker for you. Overall, it provides great value for a remanufactured pump. So there you have it. 5 excellent options for remanufactured power steering pumps, each catering to different needs and budgets. To wrap it up, we covered the A-Premium Power Steering Pump, the Gilluoxy Replacement, another A-Premium model with a pulley, the Cardone Remanufactured Pump, and lastly, the Cardone Domestic version. Each of these pumps has its strengths, so it really comes down to your specific needs. Whether you're on a budget or looking for the best quality, there's something here for everyone.